So AI for sure it's able to augment the analysis that we perform. So, you know, with process mining, you mainly analyze the process flow. You mainly analyze process flow, and you analyze also, you know, the potential problems, the potential issues that you have related to the process flow. But if you want to run as an example root cause analysis, so process mining is telling you that you have a specific deviation. So you perform activities that should not happen, okay? But then in order to identify why these activities happen, then you can use ML and AI algorithms. So this is a typical case where we integrate process mining algorithms with ML algorithms in order to augment the analysis that we want to perform. And one key point of this kind of solution is the easy way to integrate, you know, your solution with an AI and ML platform, because you need, according to the different methods, to the different process that you want to analyze, be able to select the best suitable ML and AI algorithm to be used in order to complement your process mining analysis. What else? Okay, so this is, I think, tightly coupled we are this, you know, we frequently forget about the importance of data.
Dark data, right, in log files and emails and customer communication, all these critical pieces of information company possess. So please get going. Data is critical, yeah.
Yeah, it's really critical, you know. And so in our vision of digital transformation, the possibility to, you know, to have a data lake accessible, the data lake that the organization must keep constantly up to date, you know, it's a key point to speed up your digital transformation journey. And the next point is not only a data lake, but also what we call process repository. So on one side, you need to have a knowledge base related to your data domain. On the other side, you need to have a knowledge base related to your process domain. So when you run process analysis, you can run every time what I call a one-shot process analysis. So you focus on procure to pay, you focus on order to cash, you focus on account payable, and you can do it and you will get benefit. But if you want to have an holistic approach to business process analysis, monitoring and improvement, you need to be able to connect the dot. So just to give an example, I need to be able to discover that Massimiliano is spending his time both on P2P and on procure to pay and on order to cash processes. This is an advantage, you know. I need to be able to run this correlation, and in order to do it, I need to keep a repository of objects related to processes. So each time I analyze an additional process, I'm increasing the knowledge base, not only related to data, but also related to processes. And as next, we already discussed about it, it's also a key point to business rules.